Hey everyone! Today we're showing you how to keep your Confluence docs up to date with Azure DevOps using the Move Work Forward integration. Let's get started. Here's a Confluence page showing a critical work item and a list of tasks. But this data is static and outdated. Let's fix that. First, we'll edit the page and remove the static information. Now let's use the Azure DevOps integration to keep this data fresh. Type in the Azure command and the integration options appear. Just grab the work item from Azure DevOps, copy and paste it here, and watch as it automatically updates. What was previously marked as not started is now doing. The integration pulls live updates directly from Azure DevOps. Next, we'll do the same for the list of work items. Delete the old static list and use the DevOps Work Items query macro. Head over to your Azure DevOps queries, copy the query you want, and paste it back into Confluence. Instantly, the latest work items are pulled into your page. Finally, let's embed an Azure DevOps Wiki page. Select the Azure DevOps Wiki macro, copy the URL of the wiki page you want to embed, and paste it into Confluence. Hit publish, and there you go. Your Confluence page now shows live, up-to-date work items and the embedded wiki page. Need to check updates? Change the status in Azure DevOps, refresh your Confluence page, and see the changes reflected instantly. That's all for today. If you have questions, feedback, or feature requests, visit us at moveworkforward.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips.